peace and quiet. My husband and I spent 2 wonderful days at Chrislin. We were well looked after and found everything to our liking. The bird life is awesome. Thanks to Chef Juan who cared for us. We highly recommend Chrislin and plan to return. 2-night stay with full day Addo Elephant excursion. Loved every minute of our stay. Food was excellent, accommodation extremely well organized and spotlessly clean, but the highlight was having Michael as our guide. He answered our questions and showed a real passion and understanding of animal behaviors. Fascinating time. Thank you so much. Unique African Lodge experience, excellent. Loved the quirky thatched hut, spacious with all mod cons. Lovely garden and pool area. Breakfast delicious with great variety. We had also booked dinner on both nights and were treated to gourmet fare. We also used the in-house game drive, which was excellent, with an enthusiastic young guide who ensured we saw every animal possible. A memorable stay. Great place for a few days of exploring. We enjoyed the nice atmosphere and the great food. Very relaxing and friendly. Beautiful hotel. Hotel is very nice and rooms, lodge, are amazing, so characteristic and original. It's quite close to the Addo Park. Breakfast and food in general are very good, but there aren't a lot of different things to choose. I advise this hotel.